So, many of our customers operate kind of in these, highly regulated spaces and mission-critical infrastructures. Talk about why certification and kind of the, product reliability are so important.
Well, the certification is very important to ensure that we are working on the same basis of quality and security in terms of safety of the equipment and the solutions that we are offering. So the market should be always following the same standards. So in this sense, it's very important that everyone is following these high standards of quality. The thing is that worldwide we have different kind of requirements of these standards. So it is good, and I think it's the best way of approaching this, that Fireway is on the higher standard of these requirements. However, for example, in Europe, we have a little bit different standards, and not always we have the highest standards requirements. So sometimes this can create some distortions on the market. But all in all, I think when we stay attached to this philosophy of having the best quality with a higher standard, that we are always on the safe side. So
yeah.
I think this is the best way of approaching the market.
Yeah, I agree with you. And it's going to be challenging for you because you have such a wide geographic area that you have to kind of know all of these different certifications. So.
Exactly. Unlike US, Europe is not a federation of states. So each state has a kind of its own sovereignty, and they have different kind of regulations. So sometimes it's difficult to fulfill all these requirements. I know quite well how difficult it must be for us to fulfill all this. But we have some which are the main ones, so the EN covers all Europe, and maybe 2 or 3 others are the main or the most acceptable in this region.